you say hi? Hi. Okay. Are you going to open the present? Oh, what's in there? Oh, there's one for each of you. Oh, wow. Here, let me dump it out.
It's so good.
Oh, wow. Did you got a pink lamb.
It's gorgeous.
Look at this. Can you do that? Can you do it?
It's so happy.
Wow. Do you say, let mommy hold that for a minute. Do you say thank you, Aunt Lynn?
I want it.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to eat one?
Hey, please.
We have to take the outside off. Chocolate? She sent you chocolate? Okay, you have to let me peel the rest off. You can't eat it with any of that on. There you go. Oh, wow. Wow, and this is like a purse. Betty, do you need help? Chocolate! Mmm.
Lucky.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's just a few more in there. Okay. Do you say thank you, Aunt Lynn? Do you say thank you? Mommy. Do you say thanks? Are you sure you're eating chocolate?